Hello, it's Lee from iGas Heating, doing a review for Expert Trades, Talk Review. Today we are reviewing the Profit Holesaw set. Got some joists to go through, just obviously 18-volt Milwaukee. This is my lad Liam. He's going to demonstrate just how easy it is to go through a bit of wood with the, is it 33mm?
This is the 33, yep.
33mm Holesaw.
Bob is,
like and obviously the old ones, like you've got to stick a screwdriver in here to get the bit of wood out. These ones you just quick release.
Don't even bother, quick release, pulls out.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Money is no object with these things. You know, regardless of price, I would get one. The time you save doing it, it's worth every penny.